The Fitbit Charge series has consistently been a leader in the fitness tracker market, renowned for blending sleek, modern design with comprehensive health monitoring features. With the successful launch of the Charge 6 in September 2023, Fitbit once again solidified its reputation as an innovator in wearable tech. Now, attention is turning toward the next-generation device, the Fitbit Charge 7. As speculation intensifies online, fans and industry watchers are eager to see how Fitbit plans to evolve its flagship tracker to meet growing user expectations. One of the most talked about aspects of the Fitbit Charge 7 is its potential design overhaul. Historically, Fitbit tends to refresh its designs every 2 years, and since the Charge 6 shared much of its appearance with the Charge 5, many believe the Charge 7 is due for a significant visual update. Rumors suggest a larger, more vibrant AMOLED display measuring up to 1.5 inches, with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. This would mark a major upgrade from the Charge 6's 1.04-inch screen, making it easier for users to read notifications, review health data, and interact with the device, especially during workouts when quick glances are essential. Alongside the bigger screen, a sleeker profile, new color variants, and improved materials could further enhance the device's aesthetic appeal and comfort, catering to both tech lovers and fashion-conscious users. Health and wellness tracking has always been Fitbit's strength, and the Fitbit Charge 7 is rumored to push this even further. One of the most exciting features being speculated is continuous blood glucose monitoring. If implemented, this would provide real-time glucose level insights, a game-changing tool for individuals managing diabetes or those seeking more control over their metabolic health. With competitors like Samsung and Huawei already exploring similar features, Fitbit may be looking to stay competitive by introducing CBGM to its lineup. Additionally, enhanced menstrual health tracking is expected. While existing models offer basic cycle tracking, the Charge 7 could include more detailed predictions, symptom logging, and hormonal insights, making it more inclusive and valuable to a broader range of users. Another area of anticipated improvement is heart rate monitoring. The Charge 6 introduced an AI-powered heart rate sensor that delivered highly accurate data during workouts and rest. The Charge 7 could refine this even further by combining upgraded sensors with advanced algorithms, resulting in more personalized and precise cardiovascular metrics. Features like irregular heartbeat detection and VO2 max scoring could become more intuitive and reliable. Fitbit may also introduce continuous electrodermal activity sensors for real-time stress monitoring, helping users proactively manage their mental well-being, a trend increasingly embraced in wearable tech. The absence of an altimeter in the Charge 6 was a notable drawback for many users, especially those who rely on elevation data for activities like hiking or stair climbing. Rumors strongly suggest that Fitbit may reintroduce the altimeter in the Charge 7, addressing one of the most common complaints and making the tracker more useful for outdoor fitness enthusiasts. Battery life will also be a critical focus. While the Charge 6 offers up to 7 days of use on a single charge, competitors like Amazfit have raised the bar with battery life extending up to 18 days. If the Charge 7 does feature a larger display and more advanced sensors, Fitbit will need to significantly improve power efficiency to maintain, or ideally extend, battery longevity. Another major point of speculation is the possible integration of Wear OS. Since Fitbit became a part of Google, there has been ongoing discussion about deeper software integration. The Fitbit Charge 7 could potentially be the first in the series to feature Wear OS, granting users access to a wider array of third-party apps, services, and smart features like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Pay. This would greatly expand the device's versatility beyond fitness tracking. However, Wear OS is known to consume more power than Fitbit's proprietary system, so software optimization will be essential to preserve the hallmark battery life that Fitbit users value. As competition heats up in the fitness tracker market, with brands like Garmin, Amazfit, and Apple excelling in their respective niches, Fitbit must continue innovating while preserving its core advantages: user-friendly health tracking, affordability, and accurate data. Garmin dominates with detailed performance metrics, while Apple leads in app ecosystems and smart features. Fitbit stands out with its accessible and intuitive approach, appealing to both casual users and health-conscious consumers. The Fitbit Charge 7 could serve as a powerful bridge between these two ends of the spectrum, delivering advanced features while retaining simplicity and affordability. In terms of pricing, the Charge 6 launched at $159.99, while the Charge 5 previously debuted at $179.99. Depending on how many of the rumored features are included, the Fitbit Charge 7th of May see a slight price increase. Still, Fitbit is expected to remain competitive in its pricing strategy, ensuring that the device stays within reach for a broad audience. As for the release date, while some expected a 2024 launch, the inclusion of ambitious features like CBGM and Wear OS may push the release to early 2025. Fitbit typically follows a 1 to 2 year product cycle, but development delays for major innovations could shift this timeline. Although the Fitbit Charge 7 remains unconfirmed, the excitement and speculation surrounding it highlight just how far wearable technology has come, and how much further it could go. With rumors pointing to a larger AMOLED display, advanced health tracking, improved battery life, reintroduced elevation tracking, and possible Wear OS integration, the Charge 7 could redefine what users expect from a fitness tracker. While we await official details, it's clear that Fitbit has the potential to deliver a standout device that resonates with fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike.